Hello, I'm Sarah from Just Add Water. At Just Add Water, our passion is people and what happens between them and how that impacts their experiences of work, their relationships with colleagues and the quality of the work they do together, all of which is particularly relevant during times of transformation and change. Creating an inclusive culture where people feel they belong is my absolute passion. Therefore, I'm delighted to support Powerful Women and the work it does to advance diversity and inclusion in the UK energy industry and take part in this year's annual conference. Thank you for inviting me. The workshop I'm running is called We Belong, Creating a Culture for Engagement and Success. So I believe that the highest performing teams and organisations are those when people feel they belong. This means they are clear on their purpose and contribution and feel engaged and empowered to deliver. So, how do we create an inclusive culture that enables all colleagues to belong? This workshop will be interactive, lively and practical and is relevant to all individuals who care about creating an inclusive culture that drives high performance, where people choose to be engaged. I hope to see you at my workshop on the 22nd of November. Alternatively, if you'd like to explore how Just Add Water can support you and your organisation, please do get in touch with us. Thank you.